Bonigson and Associates is proud to present the Buck Farmland Auction. The auction contains one tract located in Curtice, Ohio. Live public auction takes place on March 30, 2023 at 6:07 p.m. This tract is approximately 43.7 acres with 37 acres of cropland with the North Branch Turtle Creek across the south portion of the property. There is frontage on Billman Road. The farmland soils for this tract are a majority of Hoytville, Napanee, and some St. Clair. This is located in Genoa School District. Auction on March 30th will take place at Chippewa Golf Club in Curtice, Ohio. For more information including an updated property preview date coming soon, visit bonigson.com.